Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
Good morning, everyone. I am in my car this morning. I have got my coffee. It's a little chilly outside, so I have my flannel on this morning. I have to go down to our little town, and I have to pick up some bread and some dog food, and just take care of a couple of errands really quick this morning while Nelson gets some work done in the cottage. So it helps him concentrate a little bit better when I'm not around and stuff. And he actually wanted to go and run this errand for me, but I said, don't worry about it. Focus on work. And I'll go down and I'll just have a little drive. So I'll bring you guys through our little hallmark town. That was one of the things that I absolutely loved about this area when we were looking for land. When we came across this piece of property and we fell in love with it, we also fell in love with the little town. And by now you would have already seen the fun little fall festival that we had experienced downtown. But it's just a nice little place, and they decorate it for the holidays, and it's just a sweet little town, especially in the mornings. It's just nice to drive through. So let's go.
Let me figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know. If I let me figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
All right, so I just pulled back in, and I decided to stop by the public library and get me a couple of books. Thought that maybe since the kids aren't here, I might be able to catch up on some reading. So I'll share what I got with you all in a second. It's 11 o'clock right now. So I'm just going to make Nelson and I like a brunch sandwich. I'll do that right now since we have not eaten yet. And I'm going to go ahead and do that, as well as put some stuff in the laundry, because as y'all know, that is my daily routine here. So I'll probably do that first. That way I can get a load going while I make us breakfast. So here are the two books that I picked up. This one is The Turn of the Key by Ruth Ware. I kind of like mystery, crime, kind of spooky stuff to read. So I am looking forward to seeing what this one's about. And then the second one that I got was How It Happened by Michael Corita. I have never read this guy's books, but the plot sounds really good. So I'm going to give it a try and see how good this one turns out. Oh, and then I did pick up the mail on the way back in, and I got the holiday catalog from Ballard Design. So I am going to enjoy looking at that over breakfast, or brunch, I should say.
The sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
So I'm heading over to the house really quick because looks like we got some packages and I'm going to go check them out, see what they are. Okay, so I officially have no idea how to open this thing. Okay, we're getting somewhere now. Certainly interesting. Ooh, okay. All right, please let this be pretty. These are samples of tile for the house. So let's see what these are gonna look like. Oh, would you look at that? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay. There's the white one. Look how beautiful that is. A lot better than what I had imagined. Because sometimes, you go online and you look at like all this tile and all these ideas, and then you see them online, and the minute that you see them in person, they look completely different, which is why I had samples sent out to the house, because there was nowhere for me to kind of see them in person. And so I thought it'd be great to have a couple samples here so I can literally just take it to the house or to the space inside the house and see what they look like in like real time and in the real environment with the lighting that it's supposed to get. So that was nice. And I will actually be doing more intricate and videos, like my regular videos, talking about the whole process, why I decided to go with what I decided to go with, like my style, my inspiration, what I plan on doing, and how I plan on having it all come together. This is a new construction, obviously, but I don't want it to feel like a house that's brand new. I don't want it to have that sterile, empty, lifeless feel that a lot of the houses, the more modern farmhouses have these days. That's not me. But then again, you guys know this because you guys have been following me for a while. Yeah, I want something more traditional yet European inspired. So you guys saw the video about my fireplace and how it's very English cottage inspired. I want that old world stone look that makes you feel like it's been there forever. And so I want to bring like those kind of elements into this house. I want this house to be timeless. I still want to bring, modern touches and amenities and conveniences of today, but at the same time, I want it to feel like it has been here, like a home, And I know that sounds silly because obviously it's a home, but you get what I'm saying. I don't want it to feel like it's built during a phase in design history, I guess you can say, but something that's can be carried on and then take from different things and styles that have just allowed us to explore different ideas. So I'm not sure how all this is going to come out of my head and transpire in real life. I hope that I can bring it all together, and I think I have a pretty good idea. I've been working on a lot of mood boards and just trying to see how the different finishes and looks and styles and colors all look together, and I think I have a pretty cohesive theme that'll go throughout the house. So Anyways, that was just like a little sneak peek into kind of what I'm going for in our home. And how exciting it is that I get to have, tiles set here and I can get to look at them. And I'm just so excited to share even more with you guys because now we're getting to the fun part. Also, I saw this package on this work table that Nelson has here, and I got this book in, and I have been wanting to learn more about tinctures and herbal, natural medicinal qualities of plants. Eventually, I'll have my little garden, but I was looking for a very beginner-friendly approach to this, and I kind of wanted to see what was out there. This one came recommended, and I thought I'd check it out, and I wanted something with really good photos because, again, I am not familiar with this type of stuff just yet very well. I'm trying to learn. So if there's something with like really beautiful pictures like this, I'm all for it. And if it can, really go into depth and kind of explain everything on a very basic level, again, for beginners because I don't know much, I thought I'd give this book a try. So I'm excited to take a look at this and see what all, I can learn from it. And I think I believe, if I remember correctly, he talks about 38 different herbs in this one book. And I mean, obviously there's a ton more, but I figured, that's a decent number to start with as far as, learning about this stuff. So, hey, I'll start reading this and then I'll let you guys know what I think. All right, so I'm a little bit out of breath because I just came from outside. I need to brush my hair. I need to fix myself. Nelson and I decided to go out for a movie. We have been working all day long. This has been a very productive day. I did I got on Instagram. I had to share what I got as far as like the tiles and stuff, which was really exciting. I've been doing laundry, of course. That's just basically my MO. And I just finished 2 Vlogtobers. I edited them and I uploaded them. So I am several days ahead. I am ready for the next couple of days to get started on work here and finishing up some projects that we have. So before then, we are just going to go have something quick to eat, go watch a movie, come back and just wind down and get ready for tomorrow because we have a lot to do. So that's what's going to happen now. And yeah, I gotta freshen up and we'll just head right on out.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.